Video we are going to learn that how to download Java. So we open the Chrome and then here we will type download Java. Okay, so this is the official website. The oracle.com owns Java, so we'll go to the Java downloads and then we will scroll down and go to Windows. Since I'm using a 64-bit, I'm using Windows, that is why I went to Windows. Okay, I'm using a 64-bit laptop and we'll click over this link. 18 Java 18. Okay, JDK-18 is the latest version of the Java. So you can see the download has started here, but I have already downloaded it, so I am cancelling the download. Once you download it, it will appear over the download here. Okay, so now let me go to the place where I have downloaded it. JDK-18. okay, see, I've downloaded it here. You can click over it. This software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Preparing to install. Next. Next. Yes. Copying new files. Extracting installer and then close. You can go on to next step if you want to read the API documentation and read and learn about Java by the written documentation. So we are not going for that, we are closing it. Okay, now it has been installed. If you want to check that Java has been installed, you can just go to the command prompt, or you can go to the start and then search command here. Open the command prompt and this is what will open, and you can type here Java and then give a space and then hyphen and then without any space version and then click enter. See, JDK-18 has been installed here and it will give you the version of the Java. Okay, so it has been installed. Now the second thing after the installation is we need to set the path and the variable name. Okay, so search here system variables. System variables. Okay, so once you search the system variables, this pop-up appears and then you go to the environment variables and you click over to the path here. Okay, and then edit, you click over path. Okay, and then you click over edit and then click over new, and here you have to provide the path. Okay, so what basically the path is nothing but where you have installed the Java. So you go to this PC, Windows C, program files, and then you'll find Java here. We are working with JDK-18 I opened, and then till bin, you open the bin and you copy this path, Control C. Okay, you back it and then click on new and then Control V, paste it and you do it. Okay, then again we need to provide a variable. So click over new now and then type here Java underscore home. Okay, and you need to again provide the variable value. So we need to do the same step. Okay, I'll show you from the base, otherwise you will be confused if you're a beginner. So go to this PC, go to Windows C, program files, and then Java, and then JDK-18. This time you do not have to open the bin. Accept the bin, you copy this path, Control C, and then paste here. Okay, and then click on OK, and then click on OK here, and okay, so your Java has been installed and the path has been set. Okay, so this is how you will install the Java and set the path and the system variable. So thank you for watching this video and keep learning, and we will meet you in the next video by installing the Eclipse IDE. Thank you.